Hello fellow traders, my name is Simon and welcome to Porsaj Forex Academy again. Today we are here with another signal on GBPUSD and it's going to be a sell signal. And as always, without any more time to waste, let's go to our calendar and see what we have. Okay, now that we are on our calendar, as you can see, for now, currently the buyers are much more stronger than the sellers. Actually not much more, just a little bit. And as you can see, the summary for this whole week currently for this currency was positive, but I'm going to forecast that in Friday there are some news, as you can see here, that are going to affect the price and make it drop to the downside. And as always, as we all know, news are not enough, so let's head to the chart and see what we can find there. Okay, now that we are on the chart, as you can see, we are on GBPUSD on 4-hour time frame, and as you can see, currently the price is facing multiple news for headed days, and the price had actually a really strong support, but it broke and teared down through it to the downside. And this shows that the price might retrace back to the upside a little bit, but keep going to the downside in order to fix its bullish trend. And as we all know, if we zoom it out, every big trend has a correction that has to happen, but we don't know when it's going to happen. And what I'm seeing here, we are actually having a beautiful channel that has supported the price in the previous days. And again, another thing that I'm seeing is that we are having a strong support here below the price. So now that it is clear to see where the price is headed for, I'm going to make it prettier as always for you guys. So sit tight and enjoy the music. Okay, now that we have this beautiful setup, as always, it's again up to you when to enter the trade. And if it was me, I would have waited for the price to come down under the channel, break through the channel, retrace a little bit back to the upside, and then I would trigger my sell. But you can enter whenever you want. And as always, I just wanted to end this video with this beautiful quote. The stock market is a device for transferring money from impatience to patience. So be patient and wait for the signal and then pull the trigger. I hope you have enjoyed. Have a good day and peace.